It all began on a sneezy spring morning when AumSum was admiring the cherry blossoms in full bloom. A gentle tick rose in his nose, and out came a mighty That sneeze, however, never really ended. Another sneeze followed right after, and then another. At first, it was fun. His cereal bowl flew off the table. His socks shot across the room. Even his pet ham looked impressed. But as the sneezing continued, things started getting out of hand. And AumSum could brush his teeth without spraying toothpaste across the mirror. Without accidentally sneezing it shut. He once tried to blow up a balloon for a science project, but a sudden sneeze sent the balloon flying out the window. Buzz! And straight into AumSum's car. His reputation at school transformed from quiet tornado to the human genius. Doctors scratched their heads. Was it allergies? AumSum disorder? A magical AumSum? No one knew. Some suggested he live inside a bubble. Achoo! 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 Others said he should move to
Arizona,
where there's less pollen. Followed right after, and then another. But AumSum just kept on sneezing in class, at the grocery store, even while trying to take a nap. Every achoo felt like an earthquake. As they passed, AumSum began to notice strange things. Once, a sneeze knocked over a stack of books and revealed a secret trap in the library. Another time, his sneeze popped the lid off a jar. His classmates invented a game called Dodge the Sneeze, which became more popular than tag.